Been in business for 3 years. Have experience of about 15 years. We have many satisfied customers. We sell landscape and tree service. We provide a variety of services: tree trimming, pruning, removals, shrubbery trimming, complete cleanup, mulching, trimming hedges, grinding stumps, grass installation, retaining walls, stonework, patios. We provide service to commercial and residential. We try to be as careful when it comes to homes, especially when we're working with trees. Our guys, they got their harness, they got their safety. It takes a lot of practice and skill to provide good services. I mean, at the end, when we walk out of the job, we want the customers to be satisfied. Give us a call. We'd love to provide you with a free estimate. Thank you.